Hi everyone. In this video I am going to tell about how to return or exchange a product on AJIO Online shopping and how to get refund. Okay, let's open the product. And the product is women track pant with contrast side taping and the material is cotton. Thickness of the product is good. You can see the white taping, side taping. And the price of the product is $4.99 and I got it for 398 rupees only. And the size of the product is XXL. This is elasticated drawstring and it has pockets also. And here is white color side taping. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. And subscribe to Unboxing Zindagi. Okay, overall the product is good but it didn't fit on me, so I decided to return the product. After receiving the product, you will get an options like exchange, return. Now click on return, exchange. Click on proceed and tick that square box. Again click on proceed. Here you can options like exchange, return. If you want to change the size of the product, you can click on exchange. If you don't want that product, click on return. And it is asking for the reason. Select the reason. Now click on request return verification. If you want to give a feedback, click on write a comment and then click on request return verification. Now this is about refund. If you click on the bank transfer, it will take 5-6 days to get the refund. So I want to click on AJIO wallet. The refund will be processed within 24 hours. Again click on square box and then submit request. Now you will get a message from AJIO. Okay, this is all about how to return or exchange a product on AJIO online shopping. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. If you want to check your refund, click on 3 horizontal lines and then click on AJIO wallet. Here you can see your refund. I got my refund within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.